हेलो एलिगेंट लेडीज, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज का टॉपिक बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि कौन से ऐसे 5 पीसेस ऑफ क्लोथिंग है जो आपको वेयर नहीं करने हैं बिकॉज दे विल नॉट मेक यू लुक एलिगेंट। And before I start this video, I quickly want you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And फटाफट शुरुआत करते हैं वीडियो की। So before I start the video, I don't want to hurt the sentiments or preferences of anybody who does not agree with me. I very well know that you might not agree and I respect your opinions. If this video is not for you, if you get easily offended, so don't watch it. And एलिगेंट लेडीज जो जेन्युइनली जानना चाहती हैं कि अपने आप को कैसे सोफिस्टिकेटेड तरीके से जो है तैयार किया जा सकता है, देन डेफिनेटली स्टिक बाय थ्रू दिस वीडियो एंड लेट्स बिगिन। नंबर 1, sportswear. First of all, I've seen a lot of people wearing sportswear when they go out and they think it's a very casual thing to wear and it looks cool and chic. Let me tell you, it doesn't look casual or chic at all. In fact, it looks horrendous. Like, sportswear was specifically made ताकि आप जिम में वर्कआउट कर सके या फिर आप if you're doing running, jogging, some kind of exercise, आप उसके लिए उस चीज़ को यूटिलाइज करें. But what people are doing, they're going out, they're wearing sportswear, they'll wear yoga pants, they'll wear crop tops and they'll just wear those gym wear and they'll just walk casually on the streets. If you're going to some event, this is definitely not going to look good. So if you want to look elegant, please don't choose this. Second, bandage dress. Well, बहुत time से ये trend चल रहा है bandage dress का, and I don't know why people are still following this trend because it just makes no sense. And honestly, it doesn't look that good as well. It just gives that cheap appearance. It has that cheap signature look because it hugs your body and then it makes your chest pop out and it just looks devastating. And for someone who's elegant, I don't think you should be wearing something like that. If you want to look sophisticated, you could maybe go for better options. Just don't stick to a dress that definitely shows a lot of skin. Number 3, crop tops. Well, crop tops are like the most usual thing around. Every other girl that I see on the street is wearing one, and honestly, do you want to be that common? It's a high street fashion, a lot of big brands are promoting crop tops and the sales are just skyrocketing. But let me tell you, crop tops, when you wear them, might not be so flattering for everyone who's showing skin, and not just that, they have that, cheap signature as well because they show a bit of skin, and then again, it doesn't look very stylish or affluent for someone who wants to look sophisticated and elegant. So crop tops are a big no. But if you do want to wear crop tops, then maybe you can opt for dresses like you can wear a crop top with a long skirt, and then that crop top should also be very well tailored so that it matches your entire outfit and it doesn't look like it's giving off that cheap vibe or showing too much of skin. Number 4, cartoon prints. I just want to ask you, I've seen a lot of people wearing cartoon prints as well, and they have these Hello Kitty or some sort of Scooby-Doo, Mickey Mouse sort of animal, and I personally feel it does not look good at all. In fact, it gives you a very juvenile sort of look. Like, it does not make you look lady-like at all. And then again, if you're going for such things, it just steals away that sophisticatedness that you were going to present yourself with in the first place. So if you're wearing, even at home, if you're wearing those pajamas that have like bears, lions, cute chihuahuas in your, dress code, then just cancel them. They don't look good. Oh, they are awful. Number 5, t-shirts. Now, before you come at me and lash out at me, let me tell you one thing. T-shirts are a no-go. If you're going to office and you're wearing a t-shirt or any casual event or some personal gathering, why would you wear a t-shirt? It makes no sense. It's very casual, and also at home, it's something that you can wear maybe, but even at home, some t-shirts are, they're in such a bad condition that they cannot be worn. So definitely, if you want to look elegant and sophisticated, please avoid t-shirts. तो हमें बताएं कमेंट सेक्शन में कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, और अगर आप इसका सेकंड पार्ट देखना चाहते हैं, then stick to Trends 9, and of course, if you're lashing out at me, I love it. We'll make a second part and we'll meet you soon.